It feels really good because it doesn't even feel like work. It feels like, we're here at this time of our lives, and we've just engrossed ourselves in, what needs to be done for the students. And when it's not work, it's more enjoyable. And that's what I see with the team effort of our staff, is that they enjoy what they do, and we work together to make things happen. To our students here in the North, we may not see a lot because of our location, because we're so isolated, but not isolated in terms of really being isolated, because the technology is vibrant in our school. We have the Math Fest going on, and it's a 2-day event that the teachers, the math lead, Jonyper Molejon, has been taking over for the past couple of years. And Jonyper has captured the essence of what a Math Fest should look like and should be. Carl Hildebrandt, and he bought his technology, and the kids are just soaking up that technology in the gym, and I'm just in awe at what he's helping our students. And they think it's a game, but really, they're really learning math.
And then we also have the land-based activities. We could apply land-based in math altogether. We also integrate science, technology, arts, so everything as one. Those games relates to that particular fields. So we also have like math bowling, like number games, basket math, and some other fun games.
We're very thankful for the MFNSS specialists that come in, Mike Valdez and his partner Melissa. And they had a really big hand in helping us grow the event, helping us achieve what, the outcome should be, and that's covering most of the curriculum outcomes in different grades from kindergarten all the way to grade 12. They have the whole integrated approach to learning, and our students that like the hands-on learning, they like the communication, they like the interactiveness of the Math Fest. I would definitely recommend every school get on board with what's happening in the world of math and technology and science. There's just so many things to cover, and they all mesh together to create one holistic thing of learning.